wouldn't dare.
Get me down from here. Help me! Help! Spike! Spike! Where is Spike? He's never around when we need him. Yeah, I'll just hang around up here till they leave. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll just hang around up here. Maybe not.
Ooh.
Help!
Sweetheart.
Barry.
Hey, Barry. What's going on? Where's Noreen?
Hey, this is my dream.
My hero.
Hi, guys. I'll be right back.
Help! Over here!
I'll be right with you, lady.
Thanks, Barry. Thanks for helping me out again.
That's all right, Chuck. That's what sidekicks are for. But wherever I am, whatever I'm doing, all you gotta do is ask, Chuck.
Sure thing, Chucky Poo, old pal. Any old time, old buddy.
Yeah, very wary, you geek. What a dork. Why don't you just leave him alone?
All right, class, settle down. That's enough. Let it happen, Barry. Relax. You don't have to fight it.
Class on Friday, chapter 7.
Hey, Barry? Do you want me to wait after? I can.
No, not tonight, Lauren. My dad's coming.
Bye, Lauren.
Bye.
Where were you this time?
Japan, I think.
You were supposed to be in my history class.
Yeah, I know. I don't know why it happens.
Barry, you've got to understand. There's a time and a place for dreams. It's not in the classroom.
Yeah, I know.
When your dad comes to pick you up, he and I need to have a talk. Again.
I've had talks with him about the daydreams. He's just never been a physical kid. And there's nothing wrong with that. Einstein, Gandhi, Gershwin, there's nothing wrong with these people. My son has asthma. He's made up this world where he can be the star athlete, the quarterback, he can be...
Chuck Norris?
Yeah. He says they're sidekicks, that they do things together. I don't know.
Have you ever tried
What?
being his sidekick?
I don't think I'd have a chance against Chuck. I put in a lot of hours at work. Barry's alone too much with his videos, his karate games.
We all put in extra hours, Mr. Kabrowski. That's not what I asked you.
Am I close with my son? Yeah. We went through some hard times, and that should have brought us closer, but...
You have to help him change his priorities. Maybe yours too.
Barry. Barry, come on. Get a grip.
Huh?
What's the matter with you?
Oh, nothing.
Space case. Come on, let's go. It's late.
Yeah,
Let's go. Come on.
Bye, Barry. See you tomorrow.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thanks for your time.
Did you forget something?
Oh. Yeah. Let's go. See this Master Stone and sign you up for karate. What?
Nothing.
Snap at the top. Come on. 2. Crack it. 3.
I'm just gonna tell him I'm here.
1. Switch feet. Yeah. 1.
Excuse me. Pardon me. Excuse me.
1. Up, snap at the top. Snap it. Hey, you.
Me?
Yeah, you. We don't wear shoes on the mat here. mister.
Sorry. Double knots. Socks too?
Inside crescent kicks.
Hey, hey, hey! Don't touch that. So you want to learn karate, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah? You mean yes, sir. Don't you, Sonny?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, yes, sir.
Now, your father here tells me all you think about is this art, this craft that has taken me years to master. Hey, could you wheeze a little quieter, kid? I'm trying to talk here.
Excuse me, Mr. Stone. My son has a condition.
You must be pretty good to win all this stuff.
Well, I don't like to brag or anything.
Yeah, I bet you're almost as good as Chuck Norris.
Chuck Norris? Chuck Norris? He doesn't compete anymore, kid. And one of the main reasons he doesn't is me.
Okay, let's,
Yeah.
He doesn't compete because I would kick his ass.
let's go, son. Come on.
Yeah.
Kick his ass.
Got you the first time.
Find another place. I mean, this isn't all there is.
You know, kid, that's the first smart thing you've said all day. This isn't all there is. It's just the best there is.
You know, karate is a sport of discipline and restraint and style. One that builds respect.
You believe in the Easter Bunny too, kid? Chuck Norris. Bring the gunpowder! Well, now I teach you lesson! Help! Shut up, I blow you up now. Please. Ah, oh!
Time for bed.
Dad.
You look like you were already asleep. Were you watching that thing?
Yeah. Yeah, I was. Kind of. Dad,
What?
did you ever become involved with something?
It's late. You gotta get your 8 hours. What?
Nothing.
What?
Forget it.
What?
Miss Chen. Miss Chen. Well, long time no see. What's El Rusho Supremo? You know, the last time we spoke, your uncle was coming to town. Did he ever get here?
Yes, today. Please, Eugene, I'm late.
Well, does he need a job? If I may say so, I'm not without influence in this town.
I'm his sponsor, Mr. Mapes. He has a job. He's going to be working in my family's restaurant.
Oh, but that's so stereotypical. I mean, it's like working in a laundry.
Believe it or not, we've done that too. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm late for my date.
Oh, a date? Oh, my jealousy rears its ugly green head. Who's the lucky fellow?
An appointment date, Eugene, one of my students.
Trouble with one of the urchins. Well, perhaps I can be of assistance.
Barry Grabowski.
Oh, but he's...
He's what?
Well, he's slow and impaired. Hopeless. The kid is hopeless.
He's a dreamer, Mr. Mapes. And historically, dreamers have a pretty good track record. Barry! And what, may I ask, was all that about?
Oh, I was working on a Charlie horse. Yeah, I was just working it out.
Uh-huh. We'll talk about it later. Now, there's someone I want you and your dad to meet. If he likes you, maybe he'll be the one to teach you martial arts.
Nobody likes me. Why would he?
Well, I don't know. Maybe because he's a little bit like you.
May I help you?
You can help everybody in this place. Tell that chump to douse that cigar. This is a public area. He's not supposed to be smoking that in here.
Yes, of course, you're right. Since we're all so similar, though, would you mind telling me which particular chump you're referring to?
The keys are in front of you, Charlie.
Excuse me. Sign says no.
Come on, come on.
呢度磨色嘅。
哦，對唔住，對唔住。
俾你我。
哦，多謝，多謝，多謝。Good.
Where is it?
By the way, my name is not Charlie.
Huh? Smoke. I'm smoking. I'm smoking? I'm smoking? I'm smoking! This is thing off me! No!
What's this?
It's how we teach children to use chopsticks.
Huh. Okay. I get the point. See, if they had points on them, you could just stab it. It's not happening. I want to impress your uncle.
Did you notice my uncle stopped using his halfway through the meal?
He did?
He really likes you. He's very impressed with your work with computers. Are you almost finished with your program?
How did you know?
Your son. He's told me a lot about you.
He hasn't told me much about you. What about you?
Well, my father built this restaurant. He came here first. 8 years later, he sent for my mother.
So you grew up around here, then?
Yes. They worked here together. Then my father died. My mother ran the place herself for a while. But then 2 years ago, he sent for her again. Now it's all I have left of them.
And your uncle?
Dear uncle, a poet and a charmer, teacher and philosopher.
That is the 9th time.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I wasn't ready.
That is the entire point of this exercise. You must always be ready. And you want to be martial artist. And what would be your fighting name? Barry the Leopard. No, not quite right. Barry the Tiger, who fights with courage and relies on instinct. No, that won't do. I have it. I've got it.
What? What is it?
Mr. Dumpling. Mr. Dumpling, who fights in a most deceptive manner by smashing the fists of his opponents with his own face.
Mr. Lee,
Mr. Dumpling never attacks because he does not survive to attack. Because he is never ready.
okay, I get the point, Mr. Lee.
All right, then. It's very simple. I will help you learn what you want to know. But once you stop wanting to learn, I will stop teaching.
Well, Mr. Lee, I don't want to stop learning.
Oh, never interrupt your teacher. This, for example, is a thief. You cannot compromise with a thief unless you wish to give something of yourself away. Does that appear confusing?
Yes.
Good. Life is very confusing. And that is your first lesson.
I married the first girl I took out.
How long has she been gone?
She passed away almost 10 years ago. You sure Barry's gonna be okay with your uncle?
Well, my uncle will behave himself. If he doesn't, I'll break his arm. More tea?
How far is your school from your house?
About, 5-10 minutes.
Not how long, how far?
Oh, 2 miles.
And how do you get there?
My dad, he drops me off in the morning, picks me up in the afternoon. Or I get a ride.
From now on, you will walk to school, that is, until next week. Then you will run. We will see if that is a thief or a crutch.
Psychopathy.
Yes.
There's a problem out here.
Where's that little gal, Grub? Grub, that is the name, ain't it?
The Bruce. It's a funny name.
Grub's better, ain't it, boy?
What's your name?
Hank. Short for Henry.
Oh, yeah. I had an uncle named Henry one time.
Yeah? I don't think I knew him.
Let me deal with that.
What are you doing?
Preparing.
We're gonna do something really special for you. We're gonna remodel this place.
Yeah, boss.
Yeah. We're gonna take that wall over here and put it over here.
Yeah.
Yeah. This wall, put it back over here. And we're gonna take the kitchen, we're gonna bring it all the way in the front. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start right here.
Hey, look at this guy. 恭喜發財.
Whoa, that boy's drunk. That's a drunken gentleman.
我的王等啊
Oh, you son of a...
Sorry.
Man!
These gentlemen only saw what I appeared to be. Lesson number 2. Believe what is, not what you think. Remember, tomorrow you walk to school. Huh?
The kid moved down the street. Alert. Constant vigilance. Eternal suspicion. Like Chuck in the jungle. Beware the enemy. The kid evaded capture, or worse this time. But the bad guys are still out there. Somewhere.
Come on, you'll be late for school. Barry? Are you okay?
Yeah. Hi, Lauren.
What's wrong? Where's your dad?
Oh, I thought I'd walk today.
Oh. Gee, that's good exercise.
Yeah.
Well, you'd better hurry, because class starts in 10 minutes.
Okay.
Barry! Are you sure you don't want to ride?
Oh, no, that's okay. I want to get my heart rate up a little higher.
Okay. Bye. Let's go, Mom.
Now, we've read several of the board's important plays, and these wondrous words should stay with you from now through the end of your day. Oh, man. Mr. Cellini.
Yeah?
Yes, is the proper response, Mr. Cellini.
Okay.
Perhaps, Mr. Cellini, we should test your retention skills. From whence does this quote come? To thine own self be true.
Polonius, Mr. Mapes. From Hamlet.
That is correct, Lauren. Let's try again, Mr. Cellini, shall we? Alas, poor Yorick. I knew him. Well?
It's from the Bible, isn't it?
A book with which I'm sure you are thoroughly familiar. No, Mr. Cellini, it's not the Bible. Yes, Mr. Gabrowski, what is it?
Yeah, it's, Hamlet.
Be still, my heart. Yes, that's correct. Be careful, Mr. Cellini. Your competition for class dumbbell is rapidly diminishing. Now.
You gotta watch where you're going, creep. Accidents happen when you don't pay attention.
Let me up!
Well, if I let you up, then you might hurt me. And I don't want you to hurt me. What's lucky for you, Master Stone didn't take you on. Because I'm in that class, and I'd be doing this to you every day. Oh, look at this. So where's your friend Chucky now, retard? Oh, by the way, Lauren doesn't like you. She pities you.
Out. Okay, you're doing good. All right, let's start again. All right, relax. Breathe out, bend your knees, breathe in.
Move it, Lotus! Move it! 34! Hup! 35! Hup! 36! Hup! 37! Hup! 38! Hup! 39! Hup! 40! Hup! Had enough? 41! Hup! 42! Hup!
That's Lone Wolf. You're a little wolf, too.
Well, well, well. If it isn't the two big bad wolves.
What do you have?
Milk.
Hey, how about some cookies?
Bartender, make mine milk too.
Sure, Ranger.
Hey, you! Give me a drink. Hey, better yet, give me a kiss.
Let go of me! Let go of me!
Leave her alone.
All right, let's do it. I can take you, little wolf. Just you and me.
If you're wrong, you're dead wrong. That was for nothing. was for something.
Watch it, Barry!
Wake up! This is gym class, sonny boy, not nap time. How dare you fall asleep in my class? Get up, boy!
Sorry, Mr. Horn.
Oh, I bet you are. But not as sorry as you're gonna be. I've been thinking, son. It's been a while since your last physical evaluation. There you are. Start climbing.
Let's go, Barry Wary. Get up that rope.
Come on, Gabruski. What are you, a man or Marvin Milktoast? Keep going. Don't even think about quitting.
You can do it, Barry!
Barry! Hey, Barry! I'll race you to the top.
I can't.
Sure you can. Just wrap your leg around the rope and hold it with your foot.
I can't.
Barry, I hate that word.
Who the hell is he talking to? Hey, you up there! You not off again? Get going!
Don't listen to them. Listen to me. Wrap your leg around the rope. That's it. Now hold it with your foot.
Okay.
Now all the weight's in your legs. Relax your arms a little bit. See? Weight's in your legs. There you go. All right. Now pull. That's it. Use your legs. That's it. Good. There you go. Pull. Yeah.
Come on, Barry, you can do it!
Pull, Barry. Yeah, you're doing great, Barry. It's all yours, Barry. All the way to the top.
Well, I'll be.
Mr. Horn was sure mean today. I think you ought to tell your daddy.
My daddy? Oh, no, I don't think he'd be too much help.
Why not? My daddy'd rope him, shoot him, stuff him, and mount him.
What?
At least that's what he always says.
Oh, that's because he's a Texan. My dad's a computer programmer from Pittsburgh. Make him mad, he just punches the keyboard harder.
Listen, this is where I get off.
Oh, Lauren, you know, I really like you.
I like you too, Barry.
Okay, great. Well, if I like you and you like me, why don't we, go out?
Go out?
Yeah.
Barry, I like you, but just not like that.
What?
I worry about you. The others are so mean. It makes me feel so...
Sorry for me.
No.
Yeah, Cellini was right. You pity me.
I do not. I don't.
I get it, okay?
Barry, please.
I hate this crap. I will beat this thing. I will beat you.
I'm going to show you how easy it could be. All you have to do is tell me what I want to know.
I won't tell you anything. Hang on as long as you can, Barry. You can do it. Just hang on.
Filthy Schwein. Come on, Barry Wary. Make it easy on yourself.
Chuck, I can't breathe.
What do you care, Trip? You sound like a bagpipe and you do anything!
Hang on, Barry. We'll get out of this.
Not! To squeeze his lung out!
Hang on, Barry.
I can't.
Hang on, Barry. Barry.
Hang on, son. That's it, Barry. Hang in there, boy.
Has he been getting his allergy shots on a regular basis?
Yes.
Has he been under any extraordinary stress lately at home or at school?
I don't think so. He walked to school feeling fine this morning. He seemed to be okay. He's gonna be all right?
He'll be fine. And it's probably not a bad idea he does these things. You know, basically his lungs are okay. I looked at the x-rays. There's very little scarring, if any.
Good.
Frankly, I'm surprised at this attack. What, with the humidity and all down here?
Noreen, oh, thanks for coming.
Where is Barry?
Lee.
Is he all right?
Yes.
Which room is he in?
215. Glad you
Yeah, the doctor said his x-rays are looking good. Oh, Noreen, this is Dr. Millard. Miss Chen is one of Barry's teachers.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Mr. Lee.
Yes. I have something for you. I will take this off. Only for a few minutes. This will help you.
Smells awful.
Yes, that's how I know when it's ready. It is an old remedy with some of my secret ingredients. Breathe in the fumes. Deeply. Good. Now rest.
Start to burn. What is it?
You must breathe. The heat will not burn you. It will help.
Relax.
You were perhaps overzealous. You tried to reach too far, too fast. We will try again, but slower. But now I believe you want to learn. Good night, Mr. Dumpling. Let's start with a few simple movements.
Okay.
Low block, high block, punch. Kick, high block, punch. Inhale, 4 steps. Exhale, 4 steps. Inhale, 4 steps. Come on, Barry. The object is not to hurt somebody else. It is to stop them from hurting you. You must respect the wood. It lives on its own. It has its own spirit.
Barry! Yeah, I know. I'm up there. I'm ready. All right. Yeah.
Down and inhale. 5. Now rest. Had enough?
Yeah.
Just one more. One more. Easy, easy. Good. Pick up.
How do you feel?
Oh, I never felt better.
Oh, you lie as well as you run. Drink that.
What's this?
Be quiet, disrespectful boy. You dare question me?
You took me for $6 on gin rummy. I'm watching you like a hawk.
That will help with the breathing. Now drink.
Oh, God, gee, that's awful.
Foolish boy. You think magic should win taste test? Then nobody drink Pepsi Cola.
Hey, Pepsi has nothing to worry about.
You go home now. You give me a headache, and besides, you have no more money to win. Here, take this 4 times a day, twice on Sunday.
Okay. All right, goodbye, Miss Chan. Don't play cards with this guy, okay?
Oh, I already learned that. Say hi to your dad for me.
All right.
Magic potion. What's in this?
Don't worry, it won't kill him.
Imagine my relief.
What the hell's that smell?
I don't know.
Must be a sewage backup around here. Huh? Don't be late for school.
Gabruski, what are you doing here? Get your butt up there on the benches with the rest of the babies.
No, I'm okay, Mr. Horn. I'm gonna take the class today.
Like hell you will, boy. You end up in the hospital again, my tail ended up in the ringer, for sure.
Yeah, but I had.
Nah, no buts, except yours. Parked up there. Now get moving!
Get very wary before you get hurt.
Cellini! I don't remember asking for your opinion! 20 laps! All right, now
it's time to meet my good friend, Mr. Pusha. Mr. Dead.
Gabruski, what are you doing? I told you to get up there with the rest of the babies. Haven't got all day. We got work to do.
And I can do it. Look, I'll sign a release or something, okay?
You'll do that, boy. Okay, everybody, Mr. Push-Up. All right, let us go. 25 to warm you up. One. Gabruski, you drop dead on me, and I swear to God, I'll shoot myself and come on after you.
5, 6.
Barry, I have something for you. You will work with these an hour each day. If you make a mistake, they will sting you. But I will help you make them sing.
They look deadly.
It is true, they are weapons. But you must realize that the greatest weapon you ever possess is self-control. That's using your head, Barry.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's like a ballet.
Takes a long time to learn. Much discipline. Come, Barry. Time to run.
Work him hard, Lee.
Yes, sir.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
I wish I could do what you do, but
Sure you can.
I couldn't.
Come on.
What?
Come
No,
on.
no,
Yes,
no,
you
no,
can.
no, 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 no. What?
Keep together.
Oh, come on. I'm gonna hurt myself here. All right. Mm-hmm. Okay. Got that. Uh-oh. I can't. I can't. You move so graceful.
It's more important to be graceful. Here.
Heads up. 10 out of 12. Not bad.
Mr. Lee,
Mm-hmm.
do you ever, dream?
Oh, yes.
Not, just at night.
Oh, you mean dreaming when you're awake?
I mean, it's kind of like I'm off someplace or having an adventure with...
With him.
Yeah.
Dreams are good.
Even when you're walking down a hallway or sitting in a classroom. I like him and all that, but, I mean, is it normal for that to happen?
You must learn to control them. When you learn to control them, you will have fewer dreams then. But they will be richer ones.
Is that the way it's supposed to be?
The dream world is where the child lives. Growing older would not mean growing wiser if that world did not exist.
How did you learn so much?
Television. Always expect the unexpected.
Okay.
Stop! You're kicking much harder. Now I'm ready. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Enough for now. Enough for now. Not too bad. Now, we run.
Hey, it's Barry Wary. I can't breathe.
Up yours, Cellini.
Barry, we always seem to meet this way. By the way, what'd you say to me?
I said it's not gonna be so easy this time.
What do you think, you're bad?
Just knock it off, Cellini, okay?
What are you gonna do now? So you wanna learn karate, huh? You're about to get your first lesson for free. Yeah!
I'm out of here, okay?
Yeah! Hey, Barry!
Cellini, are you nuts? You could kill him.
Well, hey, Mr. Horny, he started it.
If that's true, kid, you got less brains than a woodpecker on an aluminum telephone pole. Now you two break it up and hit the showers. All right, show's over. Come on, you kids, break it up.
It's not over by a long shot.
Barry! Not bad, kid. Not bad at all.
I can't believe that was you.
Yeah, well, you're not the only one.
Such a creep and a bully.
Yeah, he's just an all-around kind of guy.
Barry, what are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to the zoo.
Can I come with you?
Yeah. Yeah, sure. I'd like that.
Great. I'll see you in English, okay?
Okay.
Where's that girl? Bring me that girl! Ah, yes!
Yes, boss? What is the problem?
She won't talk. I thought she was smart.
Well, you know what to do, so do it.
My pleasure.
No. No.
Let's do it.
Fine young damsel in distress. All right,
Barry. I'll take the front, and you take the back. You know the cue.
Same as always. All hell breaks loose. What about him?
Move it! Come on, get going. Let's get going now!
Wasn't that Spike?
I don't know.
Well, our hero. Get him! Oh, a hero clone! Destroy them both! You missed me! What? Watch it there! Look at get them! Get that going on here? Get them both to me now! Get them! Get them! Get them! Get them! Get them! Get him! Get him! Get him! Hide them! You wouldn't dare. Get me down from here. Help me! Help! Help! Spike! Spike! Where is Spike? He's never around when they need him. Yeah, I'll just hang around up here till they leave. That's what I'll do. I'll just hang around up here. Maybe not.
Ooh.
Help!
Sweetheart.
Barry.
Hey, Barry. What's going on? Where's Noreen?
Hey, this is my dream.
My hero.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi. Here, tough guy. You want a real shot at me? Well, there's your chance. If you're not too chicken.
Karate tournament?
That's right. It's a fair contest.
Fair? That'll be the day.
Lauren, I used to think you were smart. I mean, I don't know why you hang around this bozo when you could have someone like me.
Don't make me ill.
All right, class. The day we've all been waiting for is finally here. The English Romantic Poets. Now we're going to start. We'll start with Percy Bysshe Shelley.
We have decided we will join you in this team competition.
I should feel happy. But I'm not.
Natural reaction, natural doubt.
I'm not ready.
True. Look at the tortoise, Barry. The tortoise is very clumsy and not musical at all. But it has been said, and I believe it, when all things are right, when a dream becomes true, when the impossible is accomplished and lies behind you, on that day, the tortoise will dance.
Tortoises can't dance.
Ah, you only think they can. If you believe they can, they will.
Barry, come take a look at this.
I rest my case. Wait for me! Oh my goodness, you're doubling your bet? Oh, what am I going to do if I lose? I tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna treat you to a dinner at my restaurant. Frying Dragon. This one? Okay. Oh, thank you very much. Now it's your turn. This one.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Texas Open Team Karate Championship. But before this nationally sanctioned meet, you'll enjoy demonstrations by some of the most renowned martial artists in the country. There's going to be plenty of action here today.
Alrighty. Great.
Will all competitors please make sure to register?
Listen, there's no sense all of us standing here. Why don't you go ahead and watch some of the demonstrations?
Yeah, okay, great, thanks.
Okay, you're all set? All right, sir. Thank you. Morning. Application, please. Great.
Next up, weapons form demonstrations.
And who's your fourth?
Oh, we don't have one. We wanted to compete as a three-person team.
No. It's a team competition, and you have to have a complete team, which is 4 people. So, you're just going to have to find another team member. Thanks so much. Step aside. Application, please. Morning. Thank you very much.
This competition has drawn the karate world's best and brightest for what should be an afternoon of unexcelled excitement. Here's Andrew Ashby demonstrating sword techniques. Top-flight competitors all, including last year's champion team, Stone Dojo, and second-place contender, the Kick Connection.
Oh, Barry's gonna be so disappointed.
There's Chuck Norris.
I have an idea for 4th. Come on.
And he grabbed him by the leg and ripped his pants completely off.
Well, what a surprise. Chuck Norris. Too bad you're not still fighting. I'd love to kick your ass.
Only in your dreams, Stone.
Yeah, it'd be your worst nightmare, Chuck.
That guy hasn't changed, has he?
Are you crazy, Uncle? He's a star. He's not going to join our team.
He's the boys' hero. Ask him. Excuse, please, Judge coming through.
You guys had the original training table. You never left it.
He is. Ask him. Ask well.
Yep.
After a week of all that hard eating,
I think the Internationals won the toughest tournaments we fought in. Don't you think?
by absolutely the most black belts I've ever seen.
Yeah, we had a great fight.
Excuse me. Hi. Could I talk to you for a minute, please, Mr. Norris?
Yeah, sure. Just a second, guys. Can I help you?
I'm Noreen Chen.
Oh, hi, Noreen. Hi, I'm Chuck Norris.
Yeah.
And you're,
Oh, me? Oh, I'm Barry.
Hi, Barry. Nice to meet you. You competing?
Yeah.
You nervous?
Oh, gosh, yes. I've never been so nervous in my life.
Well, being nervous is good. It loosens you up. Tell you what. Why don't you and I go win this thing, huh?
What do you mean?
I mean, you needed a fourth team member, and now you've got one. Besides, there's a fighter here who needs a lesson in humility.
We'll be back with the first of the competitions, the ladies' kata, after a brief intermission.
This is a little joke here.
What?
Oh, come on, Chuck Norris. Chuck Norris.
You got a problem with that, son?
No. And the name of your team?
Happy?
Oh, I still can't believe it. Somebody pinched me. Ow, Mr. Lee, that's only an expression.
Then why say it? I go home now.
What do you mean?
I got a restaurant to run. I'll be back in time.
Be back by 2 o'clock.
Will all competitors for the women's kata please report to the judges' stand? Noreen Chen, representing the Flying Dragon Dojo.
Have you seen Uncle?
No.
Malia Bernal, representing the Stone Dojo. First place, Malia Bernal. The Stone Dojo off to an early lead going into the breaking competition, and a strong second place showing from Noreen Chen.
Where is he? It's 2:30.
I called the restaurant. He wasn't there.
Randy Cellini, last year's winner, looking to better his record with an 8-brick break. Randy Cellini, ladies and gentlemen, from the Stone Dojo. We have one more contestant left. Lee Chan from the Flying Dragon. Would Mr. Lee Chan enter the ring, please? Mr. Lee Chan.
Excuse, please. Coming through. Excuse.
Hey, he's here. All right, come on.
Hey, check this out. Here's a guy gonna break bricks wearing an apron.
Hey, you're not wearing a karate gi.
Don't need karate gi for brick breaking.
Is it red or white wine with bricks? Ladies and gentlemen, he's asking for another brick. We're gonna be eating humble brick here, babe.
Yeah, right, it was great.
That brings the Flying Dragon within 2 points of the champion Stone Dojo. Serrano, ladies and gentlemen, the Stone Dojo's master swordsman, and its championship technique at its best. Ashley. What a show, what a show. Entering the freestyle fighting, the Dragons are in second place against the undefeated dojo master, Kelly Stone.
Chuck. Chuck, this is my dad.
Hi, how are you?
Mr. Norris, I feel like I've known you a long time.
Well, it's Chuck, and it's nice meeting you.
I want to let you know how much I appreciate you helping my boy, joining the team.
Oh, hi. Well, I gotta get ready.
Yeah. Nice meeting you.
Yeah, nice meeting you too.
You know, Norris, I've always wanted to see how good you really are.
You're only gonna see it once, Stone.
Yeah.
And here they are in the final freestyle pairing. Chuck Norris for the Flying Dragon and Kelly Stone representing his dojo.
You talking to me over here? Come on. All right. All right. Come on, Chuck. Come on.
At what point?
You didn't say go, man. You didn't say go, all right? I wasn't ready. Wasn't ready.
No point. No point.
That's right. Way to go, Chuck.
Shut up, twerp. All right, Norris. Let's really do it now, man. I'll go with you. I'll go with you. I'll go with you.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it seems we now have a tie. The Stone Dojo and the Frying Dragon have both amassed 36 points.
There will be a tiebreaker. Please stand by for an announcement.
Frying Dragon calls heads.
Heads it is. The Frying Dragon team chooses the participant.
It will be Barry.
Me? Oh, why me?
You can do it. You won the weapons.
They don't have anyone who can touch you.
You're the one with something to prove.
You've already proven yourself, son. Just do what you think is right.
The tiebreaker will be between
Barry Grabruski and Randy Cellini.
and the event will be
Breaking. We choose breaking.
You know how to do this stuff, Barry?
Yeah, kind of. I've done it once.
You can do it again.
We're with you, Barry.
Barry Wary, why don't you just quit now and avoid the embarrassment?
Breaking first for the Stone team, Randy Cellini.
Beat that, puke face!
You! Yeah! Yeah!
He'll be fine.
And here's Barry Grabruski. They're adding a seventh. He has to break 7 for his team to stay in this.
Well done, son.
Thanks. Boy, that stings.
You're using your hand too much. Your arm not enough. It's like hammer. Head is hand, handle is arm.
I'm gonna end this right now.
Mr. Cellini is asking for another brick. He's going for a record-breaking 9 bricks.
Ready.
No break!
No break, ladies and gentlemen.
1-8! That broke! I can see it! What the hell are you talking about? Look, when you say you're gonna break something, you break it! What the hell is wrong with you? I told you to break it! You follow through with your fist! Eh, I can break it!
Barry Gabruski has a chance to win it all if he can break 9 bricks.
Hey, when you break your hand on those bricks, Barry Wary, I'm gonna go get a great big victory kiss from Lauren.
You're not gonna touch me!
No anger. You are here to confront bricks. Not that stupid boy. Now, concentrate.
There. This will help you.
I don't know what to say. I've always wanted to meet you.
Well, it's been my pleasure.
It's, been kind of like a dream coming true.
Dreams do come true, Barry. If you want them bad enough.
There he is.
There's my dad. Thank you.